excited because I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the Dynamite TikTok trend, which is basically a trend that everyone is doing right now, and it's so fun to do and really easy to learn. But before we get started, please make sure to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now let's go. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's going to be a lot easier for you to follow. And now let's go with the first move. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to step forward twice. So we're going to go step, and we're also going to click, and then we're going to put our legs together, and then we're going to do the same thing. So it's going to go like this. 1, 2. That's it. Once again, 1, 2. So basically you don't really have to step forward. Just step like in place, but make sure that your right leg goes forward, and that's it. So just, you don't really have to go much forward. So now after this, what we're going to do is 1, 2. So basically it's just like 2 jumps. We're going to jump to the left. We're going to put all of our weight on our left leg. The right one is just going to be here. Then we're going to jump to the middle. Our legs are going to be together. Then to the right. Then to the middle. Okay, once again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now for our hands, we're going to be doing circles as if we had a jumping rope, and we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so from the beginning, step, step, 1, 2, 3, 4. So after this, we're gonna cross our legs, and then uncross, and then our hand is gonna go up. So we're gonna show as if we were swiping up or whatever. We can do it with 1 hand, 2 hands, however you want, but just make sure to do this. Cross, across, and then up. And when you do this move, your legs can also be like in whatever position you like. So basically they can be here. You can go like this, stand on your toes, however you want. Just make sure you do this move as if you were swiping up. Okay, so let's do it from the beginning. Step, step, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and now after this, the last thing we're gonna do is 1, 2, 3, 4. So for our hands, we can do actually basically whatever we want, because many people do it like this. They just do this move, so they put their hands on their tummy. Well, one is in front, the other one is behind your back, and they're just gonna go like this and then switch sides, just like that. So if your right hand first is forward, like at the front, you're gonna put it back, and you're gonna just switch arms, and you're gonna do this move. It's really easy. And if you don't really want to do this, you can do whatever. There are people that go like this. There are people that just do whatever they want with their hands, so you can also do whatever you want. And for your legs, what we're gonna do is we're gonna stand, and one of our legs is gonna be in front of us. In this case, it's the right leg, and we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically what we do here is that we twist and straighten our legs. So as you can see at the beginning, it's kind of like bend. So you're just gonna straighten and then bend. Straighten, bend, straighten, bend. So from the side, it's gonna look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now for your hands, whatever you want, and let's just combine it. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it, and that is the whole dance. So we're going to be doing it from the beginning twice. First we're going to do it slow, then we're going to do it fast, and we're done. So first let's do it slow. Okay, so it goes like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. And now we're going to do the same thing, but a little bit faster. Okay, let's go. So step, step, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming.